Hi there, Glo-Bus users. I just want to thank everybody for a great season last year. We had a lot of people that I was able to tutor that did really well. Again, I want to emphasize that I am not a Glo-Bus cheater. I do not develop people's numbers. They develop them on their own. I simply teach them good business principles. One of the most important things in Glo-Bus is to store value. Unfortunately, that means storing value in research and development or large factory size. So at the beginning of the game, winners of Glo-Bus tend to be toward the bottom of the ranking. Not because they are doing poorly in their earnings, but because they're storing those earnings, and gap financials force companies to take that as an expense, those research and development costs. Fortunately for us, Glo-Bus users, the research and development is stored no matter what. There is no such thing as bad research or lost research and development. And so therefore, those users that can store the most research and development or store in their large factory sizes that they can fill, can release it later in the game for big wins, way larger than, much larger than anyone else in the game. So I'd encourage you to emphasize that to your group members, and as professors to emphasize that for your students. These are real life examples. We've got all kinds of real life examples that will be able to send this message home. To develop a competitive advantage, you need to have some sort of investment in that when you're playing Glo-Bus. Good luck and best for 2019.